my name is Randy Labaza. Let's walk through creating a Hill cipher. The Hill cipher requires some math, so a calculator is really going to be useful. Solving the Hill cipher comes down to number crunching and not making a mistake in doing so. The first step in solving the Hill cipher is computing the decryption matrix, that is, the inverse of the matrix which is determined by a keyword. The keyword is either 4 or 9 characters. A 4-character keyword will create a 2x2 matrix. A 9-character keyword will create a 3x3 matrix. This matrix is used to encrypt the plaintext into ciphertext. And the decryption matrix is used to decrypt that ciphertext. So let's create a problem to decode some ciphertext. Here's a short quote from Pablo Picasso. You want to make sure that the length of the plaintext is odd when using a 4-character keyword and not a multiple of 3 when using a 9-character keyword. This will force the solvers to use the appropriate padding, which is the character Z. This quote has a length of 33, so we'll use a 4-character keyword. Using the Suggest Keyword button, you will be presented with suggested keywords of length 4 or 9 characters. Some are easier and some are harder, and that distinction is made by the particular letters in the keyword. If you're not happy with the choices presented to you, just press the Generate button for a new list of keywords. Let's pick one for our keyword. Once the decryption matrix is computed from the given keyword, it is applied to the ciphertext to determine the plaintext. In this case, the longer the ciphertext, the more calculations, so more points. Next, we'll set the question text with the Suggest Question button. That looks good. Now we'll use the Suggest Points button, and the algorithm takes into account the keyword length and the ciphertext length to suggest a point value. So we'll press the button to set the points. We can save it and move on to the next question. That's how you create a Hill cipher. Happy code bustering.